Hi, welcome everyone friend. In this video, I'll show you that collection features in GoHighlevel will help you to create an organized e-commerce platform. If your customers come in your website and search for his required product from your hundred or thousands products, it would be very hard to search. But if there is any category, from the category he can choose his product, his choice, it would be more easier to sell. So these features is introduced in GoHighlevel. I will show you how it is introduced in GoHighlevel step by step process. To get to know the process, you have to go to your sub account. Under sub account, you have to go to payment. Under payment, there is a product section. Into this product section, there is collection. Where you will go to the collection section, you will find you can create your collection in this collection section from create collection button. I have already created two of the collections. If you want to create your collections, you can create the collection from the button. Then you can choose your category and suppose there is a pen, different types of pen you want to sell, and you can add image of that pen. Then you can add the SEO details, that is SEO title, SEO description. Suppose a pen, black pen, like that. You can add the description here, good quality, like that way. Then you can add. When you create your collections, then you have to go to the site. The e-commerce platform, you go to the product list. Now, if you want to create your collection here, then you can create your collection. You can drag and drop the collection list, and you will get the collection of all the category. That is actually the category of your collections from these sections. You can add your collection here. Suppose suppose there is collection one. There is suppose pen. You add the collection two, that is memento. You have already created collection three, that is bag. You have not added the photo, that's why the photo is not coming. You can padding from this section, and then you can save. As you can edit the SEO sections, this section will help you to bring your product in front of the customers easily. So this is the wonderful features in GoHighlevel. If you have any e-commerce platform, then it would help a lot. Thank you.